The firm name is Dennis P. Block and Associates, and we've been around only for about 49 years, exclusively representing landlords in tenant problem cases. Our firm is 29 attorneys, and we're all dedicated to trying to preserve the rental housing industry, which is always under assault by our politicians. Well, obviously, rent control is put on only one industry in the entire United States. No other industry has price controls except for income property owners dealing with residential properties. So somehow landlords are put into a different perspective than every other industry. And again, it's just another chipping away of our property rights, which have just been demolished by our politicians. It's actually what I'm going to be speaking about today, but to protect yourself from bad tenants, the first thing is to make sure you don't get a bad tenant in the first place. So your screening procedures, your credit checks, your investigation of the potential applicant has to be to the extreme, because once you get a bad tenant into your unit, the losses are staggering based on how long it takes to do an eviction, the damage to your property, the rehab to your property, and then of course to have that property released again. So the forefront in terms of protection for landlords is to go through the process and don't be taken in by lines by different tenants. It is much better to have a vacant unit than it is to have a tenant occupied unit who's bad. Well, obviously, the laws are so complicated now, you can't really do it by yourself. You do need to hire a firm that's well versed in this area of law. And the process is that currently it's taking like a month or so just to go through the court system. But in LA County, for example, it's taking the sheriff's office 2 months to effectuate a judgment. So it's just another ripoff of landlords who have to endure lost rent based on a system that has failed us. AOA is the absolute best apartment association in the entire state of California. Their political activism, these seminars that they put on to educate landlords, it's literally second to none. Their forms, their credit checks. I am a paying member of the Apartment Owners Association. I recommend it to every income property owner.